listen, I see you. Not really, but my eyes are looking at you right now. And I need for you to like this video, leave a comment down below, a sweet one, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to give you 3 seconds to do it. Thank you so much, and continue watching and enjoy. Hey y'all, what's good everyone? So today I am braiding my hair. And if you have been watching the other videos, you have noticed like, dang, like why isn't sis doing her own hair? That's because I was trying to give my edges a break, you guys. Like I was really trying to give my edges a break, get on a nice regimen, wash, deep condition every week, every other week, whatever it was. And I was like, during this quarantine for the whole entire summer, I'm not gonna do any wigs. I'm not gonna put any braids in my hair. And y'all, I'm just so tired of like, the twists are cute. Don't get me wrong. The twists are cute, okay? They cute. But every week some twists, every week mini twists, like it starts to weigh down on your self-esteem. So I was like, sis, like we not going nowhere, but let's try color. If I don't like it, I'm gonna be really sad. Like, and my friend is definitely gonna roast me because she was like, I think you should go darker. And I was like, no, I wanna be bright, I wanna do highlights. So let's see. Okay, so I'm taking a break. I have completed about 1/3 of my head so far. I'm liking this color. This is so cute. I'm definitely gonna incorporate the blonde once I get to around like this area and maybe like a few like right there. But other than that, I'm really feeling the color so far. I was a little bit worried because I was like, you may be trying a little bit too much with this color, but I'm liking it. It's really cute to me. So like I said, I started doing knotless braids. I wasn't really feeling the traditional ones, so I'm gonna have to go back and take those out. But so far, this is what I have. I was trying my best with the parts now. I've been trying my best with the parts. This is the best that I can do. I think it looks fine. So I'm gonna continue braiding and I will get back to y'all whenever I'm towards the front.
Eventually.
Thank you so much for watching and tuning into my video. I'm loving this hair. So if you try it, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below. Thanks so much, and please like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, all that good stuff, and enjoy these end credits.